A beautiful formation of a Dreamliner and an aerobatic team Fursan Al Emirat during the Formula One Grand Prix. It looks beautiful. Hornet after takeoff almost blew away the audience with a jet ejection from the engines. The helicopter touched the ground with its tail rotor during the air show and continued its flight. The helicopter received minor damage. The helicopter failed an attempt to take off during military maneuvers and hit the water with its blade. You can see result. The crew received minor injuries.
This plane touches down before the runway. Thankfully no one was injured. This fighter jet lands with the parachute out. This is an airplane crash test. Fighter jet blows away a man on an aircraft carrier.